everyone, welcome back to my channel AzraBeautyHub.com. I'm Rosina and I'm an Avon representative. Today I'm going to talk about my favorite hair products, but before I do that, be sure to go to my channel. Please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and while you're there, don't forget to like. So the hair products I'm going to talk about today are two different ones. One is a Chi product and made by the company Chi, and the other product I'm going to talk about is the Elastin Prolifera. So let's talk about that one first, okay? So I'm going to show this on screen first real quick. They're pretty good sized bottles, all right? They're 16.9 ounces each. They're shampoo and conditioner, okay? The purpose for this particular shampoo and conditioner is the damaged one. It revitalizes your hair with its natural ingredients. Now you may ask, what are the natural ingredients? So, royal jelly and propolis, and it's made from honey. So those are the natural products. So what it does, it repairs damaged hair, smooths and softens your hair. So I personally love this product because after I had a baby, for some reason, I don't know if it's due to hormones or what it was, my hair became really dry. So I was looking for a product that would help revitalize my hair. I wanted to bring that shine back into my hair, and this is the product that actually did it, and I absolutely love this product, okay? Now, the other product that I have here at hand that I also use is the Volumizing. So it's a shampoo and conditioner again, okay? You can see that, all right? So it is same exact ingredients, except this one thickens hair for a fuller looking hair and nourishes your hair as well, all right? These bottles, as you can see, they're used because I use them. They're not the full, you can't see the full because I'm using them. It comes with the pump, okay, all right? I make samples out of these, so I don't always use the pump because it makes it easier for me to make samples for my customers. This way I could just use it just the way it is. So here are some of the other products. So this is the only two that I have that I personally use, but Avon has a lot more products, such as the hair oil serum. It helps protect, strengthen, moisturize, and smooth hair to add shine while styling, okay? And also has the hair mask. I know a couple of my customers love the hair mask. So here are the products real quick I want to show you. All right, hopefully you can see it. So these are some of the really nice products that Avon carries. All right, so while you're looking at that, all right, Avon introduced some of the new products. They introduced the Aloe Dual Active Hair Serum. They used, the new product is curl cream, a volume spray, and a leave-in conditioner. So all these products are brand new to Avon. I don't have it here in front of me, but I can always get them at a later date. But in the meantime, if you want to know more about it, please visit my website, AzraBeautyHub.com. All right, and these are some of the other products that Avon also just introduced just recently, okay? Now the other product I wanted to talk about is the Chi line. So here is a shampoo and conditioner, right? There we go. It has essential nutrients to make every day a healthy hair day, okay? So what does this have? This has aloe vera, pomegranate, and hibiscus. So it's 90% natural. I love the way it smells. It's lightweight and it won't strip your hair of natural oils, and is safe for color-treated hair, okay? The nutrient-rich blend provides balanced care for the hair and scalp while helping to nourish and maintain the shine, all right? So this is some of my favorite products. This is a great product, but for me personally, it worked great for a while, and then after a while I started to notice that my hair started to get a little bit dry. I absolutely love the way this smells, but unfortunately for me it did not work out. It could work out for other people. My issue was that I had dry hair to begin with. So this product, as much as I love it, I use it once in a while. I use the Elastin Prolifera more. I use this once in a while because I really love it, but for me it didn't work out, unfortunately. So other products that also Chi has is the thermal protecting spray. I use this spray because as you can see, I straighten my hair. This is great to protect from that heat and environmental issues. So here we go. All right. Perfect. So I use this spray right after when I wash my hair and before I start to straighten my hair. So there's other products that Avon has, such as hair color. Okay. Now I know with COVID going on and all that stuff that was going on a few months ago, a lot of ladies couldn't go to the salon to get their hair done. So Avon has a kit, a perfect kit, a do-it-yourself at home kit. Okay, you can check this out. It comes in different shades. You can try it, see how you like it, and it's a step-by-step, very easy to do. I know a lot of my customers liked it, they used it. It comes in all different shades again. So that's another product that they have, and for $26.50 you could do it yourself at home. You don't have to spend hundreds of dollars to go get your hair done. Now Avon also has other products with Chi, as they joined forces last year. If you can see it here, they have hair tools, hair styling products. They have different products, as you can see over here. All right, hair straightener and all that stuff. All right, so if you're interested in any of these products, okay, be sure to visit my website at AzraBeautyHub.com. Okay, if you're wanting to join Avon, again, AzraBeautyHub.com. If you'd like to connect with me, you can send me a message. If you're ready to start, go to click on becoming a representative and you can start. It takes 5 minutes to sign up. If you're attracted to any of these products, remember, when you become an Avon representative, you get a discount. And what better is than getting a good deal? I think that's the best. So if you haven't done so already, be sure to show your love and support by subscribing to my channel, to hitting the notification bell, and while you're there, click like. Once again, go to AzraBeautyHub.com to see what's new, what's coming. Otherwise, have a great day and keep smiling.